Lessons. In today's story, someone is afraid to try. Lumi had never flown before. Not really. She had fluttered her wings. Just a little. But today the wind was stronger, and the garden below looked very, very far away. She peeked over the edge of her sunflower. Her tiny legs trembled. What if I fall? The other butterflies were already gliding through the sky. They made it look so easy. Lumi pulled her wings close. Maybe she just wasn't ready. Maybe she wasn't meant to fly at all. From below, Sammy the snail looked up. "Are you coming?" he asked kindly. Lumi shook her head. "It's too high. What if I can't do it?" Sammy smiled. "I move slowly every day, and I'm still moving." The wind brushed against Lumi's wings again. Softly this time. Not pushing. Just whispering. She opened her wings a little wider. They shimmered in the sunlight. Warm, light, stronger than she thought. Lumi took a tiny breath. She didn't leap. She didn't dive. She simply lifted, just a few inches above the sunflower. Her heart beat fast, but she was floating. "I'm still here," she gasped. The wind carried her gently forward. Not far, not fast, just enough. The garden didn't look so scary anymore. It looked beautiful. Bright petals, golden sunlight, shimmering paths below. When she landed beside Sammy, she was glowing. "You did it," he said. Lumi smiled softly. "I didn't fly far, but I tried. And sometimes that's where courage begins." When she landed beside Sammy, she was glowing. "You did it," he said. Lumi smiled softly. "I didn't fly far, but I tried." And remember, even the smallest step can lead to something beautiful. We'll see you next time in the garden. Next time, Bella the sunflower learns about waiting patiently